Welcome to our interior design series. Today, we're going to show you how to create a stunning and modern gray kitchen using a range of stylish components. With a few design tricks and our selected components, your kitchen will be the envy of all your guests. Let's get started. First, let's plan the kitchen layout. Position the gray kitchen cabinets along the walls, creating a sleek and cohesive look. Make sure to choose a shade of gray that complements your overall design theme. Next, let's install a kitchen island with matching gray kitchen cabinets and beautiful quartz countertops. The island not only provides extra prep space but also serves as a social hub during gatherings. To add a touch of modernity, opt for stainless steel appliances. They not only look great but also offer durability and efficiency in your gray kitchen. Now, let's spruce up the walls with classic gray subway tiles. Consider extending the design by creating a full kitchen backsplash to protect your walls and add visual interest. Proper lighting is essential. Hang stylish pendant lighting above the kitchen island, and install under cabinet lighting for a warm and inviting ambience. Let's not forget about the sink. Choose a gray kitchen sink with a sleek design and pair it with a modern kitchen faucet for a cohesive look. For a touch of personality, incorporate open shelving with glass cabinet doors. Use this space to display your favorite kitchenware and add some personal flair. Now, let's pay attention to the foundation. Gray kitchen flooring, whether tiles or hardwood, ties the whole design together seamlessly. To maintain a clean and clutter-free look, consider integrated appliances concealed behind matching cabinet panels. Additionally, embrace hidden storage solutions like pull-out drawers to keep your kitchen organized and efficient. Lastly, add a stunning kitchen hood as a statement piece. Incorporate glass/metallic accents through lighting or accessories for a modern and elegant touch. And there you have it. A beautiful, modern gray kitchen using our carefully selected components. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just love spending time in the kitchen, this space will inspire you to create and enjoy unforgettable moments. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!